Module 5, Exporting and Sharing Digital Illustrations. Exporting illustrations for print and web. When exporting digital illustrations, it's important to consider the intended use of the image, whether it's for print or web. Here are some tips for exporting illustrations for print and web. 1. Image resolution. Images for print require a higher resolution than those for web. A resolution of 300 dpi, dots per inch, is recommended for print, while a resolution of 72 dpi is sufficient for web. 2. Color mode. CMYK is the recommended color mode for print, while RGB is recommended for web. CMYK uses 4 color channels, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, to create a wider range of colors than RGB, which uses 3 color channels, red, green, and blue. 3. File format. For print, TIFF and PDF are the recommended file formats, while for web, JPEG and PNG are commonly used. TIFF and PDF are higher quality formats that preserve image detail, while JPEG and PNG are compressed formats that sacrifice some detail for smaller file sizes. 4. Bleed and crop marks. When exporting images for print, it's important to include bleed and crop marks to ensure that the final print is properly aligned and cut. Bleed refers to the area of the image that extends beyond the final trim size, while crop marks indicate where the image should be cut. 5. Compression. When exporting images for web, it's important to balance image quality with file size. JPEG and PNG allow for varying degrees of compression, which can reduce file size but also reduce image quality. It's important to find the right balance between image quality and file size to ensure fast loading times for web pages. By following these tips, artists can export high-quality illustrations that are optimized for their intended use, whether it's for print or web. Choosing the appropriate file format. Choosing the appropriate file format for digital illustrations is important to ensure that the image is preserved in the best possible quality and can be used in the intended context. Here are some commonly used file formats for digital illustrations. 1. JPEG. Joint Photographic Experts Group. JPEG is a commonly used file format for digital images, including illustrations. It uses lossy compression, which means that some image data is lost when the file is compressed. This can result in reduced image quality, particularly when the compression level is set too high. JPEG is suitable for web use, where smaller file sizes are desirable. 2. PNG. Portable Network Graphics. PNG is a popular file format for digital illustrations because it supports transparency and lossless compression. This means that the image quality is not compromised when the file is compressed. PNG is ideal for images with transparent backgrounds such as logos or icons. 3. TIFF. Tagged Image File Format. TIFF is a high-quality file format that supports lossless compression. It is commonly used in the printing industry, as it preserves the full quality of the image. TIFF files tend to be larger than other file formats, so they may not be suitable for web use. 4. EPS. Encapsulated PostScript. EPS is a vector file format that is commonly used in the printing industry. It supports vector graphics, which means that the image can be scaled without losing quality. EPS files can be opened in a variety of design software programs, such as Adobe Illustrator. 5. PDF. Portable Document Format. PDF is a versatile file format that can be used for both web and print. It supports vector graphics and can be opened in a variety of software programs. PDF files can also be password protected, which makes them suitable for distributing copyrighted material. When choosing a file format for a digital illustration, it's important to consider the intended use of the image and the desired quality level. By selecting the appropriate file format, artists can ensure that their illustrations are optimized for their intended use and preserve the quality of the image. Digital illustration, you may want to share it with others. Here are some ways to upload and share your digital illustrations. 1. Social media. You can share your digital illustration on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. Make sure to use appropriate hashtags and tags to increase the visibility of your illustration. 2. Online portfolio. You can create an online portfolio using platforms like Behance, Dribbble, and Adobe Portfolio to showcase your digital illustrations. This is a great way to get your work seen by potential clients or employers. 3. Email. You can also share your digital illustrations via email with clients or friends who may be interested in your work. Make sure to compress the file if it is large to ensure that it can be easily downloaded. 4. Cloud storage. You can upload your digital illustration to cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, and share the link with others. 5. Print-on-demand services. You can use print-on-demand services like Redbubble, Society6, or Zazzle to sell your digital illustrations as prints, phone cases, and other products. It's important to keep in mind that when sharing your digital illustrations, you should always make sure to credit yourself as the creator and respect the copyright of others.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.